Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna go drop these off at my niece's house, and her dad's gonna put them up in her room for her. So I figure, hey, let me make a side-by-side video. They're pretty close to the same. They're both curtain lights. They're both pink. They're both about the same size. They're both pretty close to 10 by 10. They're just a little bit under it. Both of them have remotes. They're 8 modes. Both of them are 8 mode. And the JMexus has a wall plug, and the other one, it has a USB. It does not come with the power cable that you plug the USB in, so you have to have that. When they're both up, hanging, they both have pretty similar modes. They look pretty close to the same. The difference is the wires are different. The JMexus brand, it has more like your standard wire, and the other one, it's like a literal wire. So you can bend it and it stays in that same position. The other one you can bend and roll around and fold over, and then it'll kind of go back to its other position. It's like a cable. The other one is like a wire. And I'll show up close. And they both can equally get tangled if you let them. So if you're storing them, you really got to store them properly, because I've had these for a couple of years, and I pulled these out because I'm going to give them to my niece, and I just basically threw them in a box. So they got all tangled up, and I had to untangle them all, and it took me about 45 minutes to untangle these before I did this video. Just something to think about if you're going to put them up and then take them down, like some people like to do for certain times of the year. They keep them up and then they take them down. Yeah, if you're going to store these away, it's worth taking the time to rubber band them all separately and keep them untangled, because they will tangle up just on their own. They look nice. The modes look really cool when they're all flashing, really bright pink. They look good. Have yourself a great day.